Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Paul. All right, today what we're gonna be making an appetizer, candy bacon. Okay, it's very easy to make. It's very delicious and it's very addicting. All right, so without further ado, let me show you the ingredients that I will be using. All right, the star of the show is actually, I'm using a Smithfield. Got this from Walmart. All right, it's thick cut applewood smoked. Okay, and we will also be using black pepper, brown sugar, sriracha, pure maple honey, and I never tried this before. It's a coconut liquid, AMINOS, soy-free seasoning. This is delicious. I mean, I feel like you can eat this with rice, anything. But it has like a sweet soy sauce taste to it, actually. All right, so let me get this area all cleaned up and get the cookie sheet here ready to go. So, y'all guys, I'll be right back. All right, so I have the aminos, the coconut liquid aminos, and I have the maple syrup, and I have the sriracha. I am roughly going to use about 1 tablespoon of each. Okay, so we're going to start off with the sriracha. About a tablespoon there. A little maple syrup. And the amino. And now I'm going to give it a nice little mix. And you see that nice dark color. Of course, you know you're going to taste this along the way. It's a must with all your cooking. Taste your food along the way. Oh, that is good. That is delicious. Okay, so we're gonna set this to the side. Now, I have a silicone mat here. I love using silicone mats. All right, easy cleanup, very simple. And the food doesn't stick. Now, if you don't have one, you can actually just use aluminum foil. All right, so without further ado, let's get the star of the show here. All right, thick sliced bacon. Who doesn't love All right, I got the bacon all lined up. I got 9 slices that I can fit into this cookie sheet. So now what I'm gonna do, just a little bit of pepper on each one. Not a lot, just a little bit. But just remember, eat responsible. Because this stuff is addicting, boy. It's a crave that you'll like, oh my God, I want more. But you gotta be very careful with pork. All right. Too much, it's not good for you. All right, I'm done with the pepper. I'm done with the, well, not done with it, but made the sauce. So all it is to brush it on. All right. Just to brush it on. If you need more, make more. All right, got one more step after that. Brown sugar. All right, almost done. I think I have enough. Oh yeah. This is going to cook up real nice. Candy bacon. You can get this at most restaurants, especially steakhouses, as an appetizer. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that color. All right, just about done here. Coating. All right, make sure I get it all on there, not leaving nothing behind. Nothing. There we go. Nice and brushed on. All right. So moving on. Get this out of the way. Now it's for the brown sugar. All right. This is my favorite part. Brown sugar. Be generous with the brown sugar. Make sure you get all good coverage. All good coverage. Make sure you get all the sides. Give it a pack in. Already looks like candy already. Turn it. Ah, look at that. Wonderful. Make sure you try to get all the brown sugar dissolved into the bacon. to get all the bacon down off the sides, if you have any. Like I said, this is a quick and easy appetizer. All right, so I'm gonna get cleaned up, washed up, and we're gonna be moving on. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna place this into a 400 degree oven for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, give or take. But just keep a check on it, all right? It's gonna change really a dark color, all right? All right, and then after that, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is the last step. All right, so I did put them in the refrigerator for a little bit. So you see, I got a martini glass. I wanna make it look real pretty. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in half and put them in here. Oh man. Let me just get them all cut up here. And that one is mine. Get them all up in there. And voila. Beautiful. Design it any kind of way you want to design it, but like I said, be careful with this. With candy bacon. Don't eat too much of it. Very addicting. All right. Well. That is the bomb. You got the sweetness. You got the spiciness, slight spiciness, the saltiness, but you do get that heat on the back end. Oh, this is really good, man. Also, this is not for breakfast. This is an appetizer before your main course. Can't eat this for breakfast. It's too rich. I got the smokiness. Ladies and gentlemen, candy bacon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. And I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye!